In this video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Stripe with Base44. So in order to do that, first head over to base44.com, click on the Start Building option in order to log in or sign up for an account. So I have in here this help article that can help us integrate Stripe with our Base44. It's released by Base44 itself. So the part 1 is to creating your Stripe account using the www.stripe.com. Now, once you have created your account, you just need to get your API key. You can find it on your Stripe dashboard, which is this part right here. Now, just copy your secret key, and then from in there, next is to get your webhook secret. Go to Stripe Workbench, open webhooks, and add an endpoint for that. Choose the events that you need, so for example, checkout session, and from in there, when asked, choose a destination type, select the webhook endpoint. Create a destination from there. After saving, copy the signing key that it will generate. Now on the Base44, head over right here onto your app settings. And then onto the dashboard, you can see the backend functions. Head over and activate it. Now connect your Stripe into this right there. On the AI chat, type integrate with Stripe. Input right here your API key, your webhook secret, and that's it. Your app is now connected to Stripe. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you.